right, everyone, here's another quick tip on filling knot holes or different defects in your floor. Instead of just using straight filler, because even though this is a white oak floor, around this knot hole and stuff, I don't want just that white oak color to show up. So you can also now use Chroma to add a little color to your regular filler. So I've already put white oak filler in here. I added a little cocoa bean chroma, and now we'll just put that out on the floor, and then I'm just going to use my putty knife to spread that out just like I would regular filler. That way you can get a little nicer brown tone, a little darker in there, still use filler, and it can help get you out of a pinch if you happen to not have walnut colored filler, because that would also be a good choice. But now I can just go straight white oak, put a little cocoa bean chroma in it, and I'm ready to go. Looking at just another way that we treated knot holes, and this was with regular Pacific filler tinted with Bona Chroma, a little cocoa bean. So we'll sand this off, see how that looks, making sure that we're not leaving a shadow anywhere elsewhere in the grain, and then rub it down with a little mineral spirits so we can get an idea of what it's going to look like once we get sealer and finish put over the top. And this is one of those areas that I'm talking about where we've still got some of the colored filler down in the grain. So I don't want to just focus on these, but elsewhere around where I had it spread, just to make sure we're not going to leave anything in there we don't want. All right, so a little wipe down with some mineral spirits. But this filled in everything around that knot really nice. Really gave it some nice character with that dark color that we added to the regular white oak filler. This will be a great spot in our floor when we get it done.